And actually one of the other things that I know is part of the setup of TMF as well is the way that work and communications and emails fit together. Yeah. So talk about that a little bit to us. How much of your work actually is driven by the communication with your clients?
Sure. Before I go there,
yeah,
it's a beating heart that pumps work across the firm to the right resources, but also helps them remember the SOPs that we were talking about. It also helps them follow the appropriate controls per jurisdiction, which ties back directly to the consistency problem. And to answer your other question, imagine a shared mailbox on your favorite email provider. That shared mailbox, when an email comes in, it's usually highlighted in different colors depending of the provider of your choice. If that email is no longer highlighted, does it mean that the customer received a reply? Or does it just mean that someone went in it, read it, and didn't do anything with it?
So if we're working out of the same shared mailbox, I don't know if you've read it and dealt with it, or actually if I need to then read it and deal with it.
So communication and accurate communication and understanding if a communication was replied to is core to flawless service. With Enate, we are then able to join communication with client service delivery and consistent client service delivery for that matter. How Enate allows us to do that is that instead of depending on an email either highlighted or not highlighted or archived or not archived or just left there, Enate allows us to understand who that particular piece of communication is assigned to. That gives accountability, that gives responsibility, and it allows us to understand and make sure and confirm that a client query was addressed.